front of me is Unpin phone 4A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on Clipboard at the top of it. If you can't see it, use this icon at the top left corner and tap on it here. Now to activate it, click on this switcher at the top right corner and tap on this arrow at the top left one to go back. Finally, it's time to use Clipboard. Just copy or cut any text. Now to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on though, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. Now to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, just hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to edit your clip, hold it, use edit option, and change whatever you want to. Hit save when you're done. To delete anything from Clipboard, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and use delete option. You can also do exactly the same by tapping on this pen at the top right corner, selecting anything you wish from Clipboard, and tapping on pin or bin icons to manage it. If you wish to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!